Hello and welcome to the second tutorial of Selenium. Today we will see some of the frequently asked questions regarding Selenium. The first question is, why should I learn Selenium? Do I need to learn any programming language to learn Selenium? As a beginner, how do I start learning Selenium? Which tutorials should I follow? Should I take paid tutorials? How soon can I learn Selenium? And how to gain expertise in Selenium. In this tutorial, we will be answering all these questions that you have regarding Selenium. The first question is, why should I learn Selenium? If you want to switch from manual testing to automation testing, then the first tool you should consider is Selenium. Selenium is a very beginner-friendly language. Selenium is an open source tool, which means anybody can use it for free. Any organization can use Selenium to test their website or web application, and even independent programmers can learn and practice automation testing using Selenium. Selenium supports multiple browsers, operating systems, and programming languages. We have learned in detail about this in the first tutorial. Selenium can be easily integrated with other open source tools. Since most of the tools used in DevOps or otherwise are very useful and open source, those tools have a lot of takers. And when these tools are integrated with Selenium, we can achieve automation. Some of those tools are Jenkins, TestNG, Maven, JUnit, etc. We'll learn more about these tools in the coming lesson. Increasing demand for Selenium testers. Since Selenium's usage is growing consistently, even the demand for Selenium testers is growing proportionately. The second question is, do I need to learn any programming language to learn Selenium? There is no mandatory coding experience required to learn Selenium. Since you will need some of the knowledge about programming languages, you can learn those concepts along with Selenium in this tutorial. Having some programming knowledge can help you because that will speed up the process of learning Selenium. The next question comes as a beginner, how do I start learning Selenium? So any step that you want to take, you have to start. So start learning Selenium today is the first step. Pick the best suited resource. There are a variety of resources and guides available online. It is upon you to choose the resource that will suit your learning. Follow along. Once you start a tool, you have to just keep following along a particular tutorial that you have done. Take one step at a time. You can't just learn Selenium in one day. You have to take proper measures to learn it and also spare some of your time. The next step is to help others learn Selenium. This is the most important and the greatest way to start learning something, because when you teach someone, you also get some doubts in your head or questions that you can find the answer for. Which tutorials should I follow? There are plenty of resources on the internet for Selenium. You can pick any tutorial that is easier to understand and implement. When you watch the first few videos and you seem interested in that, just take that and follow along. Should I take paid tutorials? It is totally your wish if you want to take paid tutorials. In fact, there are some Selenium certifications that you can follow. Information regarding Selenium certifications will be provided in the future lessons. But I would recommend you to try some online free videos before taking the decision, since there are a lot of resources available for free online. How soon can I learn Selenium? There is no specific time with which you can learn Selenium. It also depends on the amount of your time and knowledge. It depends on the amount of time that you spare each day. Further, selenium is not only about grasping Selenese, but the golden rule is to read and practice at least 30 minutes each day. How to gain expertise in selenium? The first and the important step is to start and take one step at a time. The second is to learn, which means understanding the concepts thoroughly. The third step is practice. For practice, you can test different demo websites that is available for the sole purpose of practice for testing. The next step is to apply. When you learn something theoretically and apply it practically, you gain a clear understanding of how the tool is used. The last but not the least is to upgrade. Since Selenium is upgraded or updated continuously, it will be important to check for upgrades so that some cool features can be added for your use. Thank you for attending this session. We'll see more about Selenium in the next session.